My wife likes to keep one of these letter openers on the dining room table, so that way she can just sit down and open up all the mail, but she lost it the other day and we couldn't find it, so I bought this 3-pack of letter openers. You get a purple one, and then you also get a red one and a blue one. Good thing I got some new letter openers too, because I got this package and I couldn't figure out how to open it. They really wrapped it up tight and taped it around really good, so I'm going to go ahead and try and use one of these letter openers here to get in here and open it up. There we go. It's got a nice razor blade there. That's the nice thing about these, is it's got the pokey needle to poke in here and then the little razor blade to cut it open. So I can just cut it open like that, and then I can get into my package. So now I can get to my stuff. And then if this is all wrapped up really tight too, I could use the letter opener on this as well. So then I can open up everything. So yeah, it works great for tough packages, but the main reason we got it is just to open up our mail, because you can just poke this in the corner like that, and then it just opens your mail up just like that. So yeah, these things are pretty nice to have around. Another nice feature is these have magnets on the back. See how they got the magnets on them? So I can just put them over here on the side of the refrigerator. And then if I need one, I can just come over here and get it. It's also a really nice bright color too. So if you leave this one sitting around, it'll be a little bit easier to find because it's a nice bright red. But yeah, it's pretty cool that they have the magnets on the back too. So yeah, whether you got some tough packages to open up or if you just want to open up your mail, these little letter openers are pretty nice. They're really versatile too. And then it's got that little magnet. Just put it right on here, and now you know where it's at. So yeah, these things are pretty nice.